May 2nd, 2015, from Grant Park in Chicago, Illinois. It was the 2015 NFL Draft, and with the 127th selection overall, the 28th pick in the 4th round, the Dallas Cowboys select Damian Wilson, the inside linebacker from Minnesota, and the former Golden Gopher is 6 feet tall, 245 pounds. And at Minnesota, he had 197 total tackles, 109 solo tackles, 5 sacks, 16 tackles for losses, 1 interception, 3 passes defended, and 1 forced fumble. And in 2014, he had 119 tackles, 63 solo tackles, 10.5 tackles for losses, and 4 sacks, 1 interception, 3 passes defended, and the forced fumble. At the combine, his 40-yard dash time, 4.77 seconds. Bench press, 22 reps. His vertical jump, 37 inches. His broad jump, 119 inches. His 3-cone drill time, 7.21 seconds. His 20-yard shuttle, 4.2 seconds. His 40-yard shuttle, or 60-yard shuttle, 11.68 seconds. So this pick right here, he gets a lot of tackles. He's probably going to be more contributing like special teams, or even, situationally being substituted in. Maybe even, gets moved to a strong safety potentially, as, he's more geared toward like the passing game, and also, the pass rush. So he could come in on blitzes as a safety, but he's better at the passing defense and covering, as opposed to the running game. But I think it's a good pick, though. The Cowboys, they need some depth, especially in their defense. They got plenty of offense, but their defense definitely needs some more depth, and this is a good player to come in to add some depth. To be able to come in situation substitutions in passing situations. He'll come in to defend, tight ends, and also receivers coming out of the backfield. And you can also, keep an eye on a quarterback, those mobile quarterbacks. So I think it was a good pick here by the Cowboys. So that should contribute on special teams. But let me know what you think in the comments section below. Definitely interested to read your thoughts and opinions. Thank you very much for listening. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you're having a good day and have a great weekend, and enjoy all the sports.